So, could we please have a Shardy and a Sauv Blanc? Thank you.
We get probably 30 to 40 caravans a week pull up out the side and stay and use our accommodation.
Oh, well.
Don't show many people.
No. Good on you, mate. Thank you for service. Looks like, is that like plaster?
Hey, no, cocaine, I've got too much.
We're coming into our final camp of this series, Series 4, heading home tomorrow. So we're at Mathaura. There's Mathaura. And we're going to be staying at the
Bowling Club.
Bowling Club, yes. Two caravan areas where you can actually put your vans up. There's the one over there, and then there's this one here. And apparently, when the Denny Ute Muster was on, this was absolutely chockers. They had vans all the way along here, and I was just talking to Adam, and he said this house is for sale. So the plan is to actually buy that house, knock it all down, extend this right out here, and that way there's going to be even more room for people coming through. So yep, these guys are actually thinking ahead and looking after us and all the people on the road. So the sites are really level. That's us there. Just about, it's not a drive-through, but you can leave your car on. And over here, oh, there's another men's shed. We found so many men's sheds. This is the amenities block. And by the way, as I said before, there's a dump point. And further around there, you've got your water. And you've even got a book exchange. So take one, leave one. And that's just so close to where the bowling rink is. So we've got toilets here, we've got showers. With the showers, if you're staying here, you just have to go and make sure you actually log in when you get here at the office, and they'll give you a code for the showers. You can have a shower, but the toilets stay open all the time. You just walk out here. That's how close we are. Check out the Mathaura Bowling Club. So this is the club here. It's RSL as well, Servicemen's Club. TAB, it's got everything in here. And hopefully we can go and have a word with the manager. So they do have all the conditions of entry, which is your dress codes and stuff like that. So the old slap and hat, that's actually coming off while we go in here. Make sure you sign in. We've already done that. Okay, so from a big drive today, we've come across Mathaura, and we've got the Bowls Club here, and we've got Adam.
Good afternoon.
So Adam is in charge looking after this place?
Yep, correct.
Okay, so tell me some things about what people can expect if they come here to stay.
Look, we get a lot of people that, like yourselves, that'll pull up and camp for a night or two out the side. We
Yep.
offer free camping. We've
Yeah,
got,
well, that's pretty good.
Nice clean amenities, and we've got really good food and cold beer.
And most importantly, there's a dump point there too, and fresh water, so that's pretty cool.
Absolutely, yeah. Look, we get probably 30 to 40 caravans a week pull up out the side and stay and use our accommodation.
Oh, well. And what's the deal with meals? Because we've got the bistro and stuff going through here. So if you're a camper here, do you get discount?
Absolutely. So once you fill out your registration form, simply let the staff know you're camping and you'll get a 10% members discount on the spot.
Yeah. You can't go better than that. So we're going to have a meal tonight, and back home to Bendigo. This is our last camp, and probably one of the best sort of pub stay type camps we've had.
Absolutely. Enjoy your time here.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Adam.
You too. Thanks very much.
Look, I've actually got a kids area here. How good is this? Wow, this is a good idea. So your kids can actually be here, and you can actually keep your eye on them. So I reckon that's the parents' table there. So this is where they do all their cooking. We'll be in for a meal tonight. Grilled fish, $22. Beef and salad, $22. Yeah. So it's actually quite big. So you'd probably organise a conference here, something like that. That'd be good. Yeah, this is pretty big. Big TV. And we've got staff here. Staff are doing a really good job.
of doing nothing.
Don't say that, the boss might hear you. They're pretty friendly here. And then we've got a touch here. I don't know if that was real or not, but they've got real grass bowling rink, and there's two. So a nice place to come and stay, sit here and have a beer as your mates are out there doing the bowling. So this is the courtesy bus. I wonder if they'll take us back to Bendigo. I don't think so. So what are we doing, Joe?
We're going out for tea.
Yes, it's really good. And we've got that clean clothes on, no camp stuff on now.
No, we had a shower.
And we're going to Mathara District Servicemen's Bowling Club. So could we please have a Shardy and a Sauv Blanc? Thank you. Okay. So what are we having, Joe? So
Oh, I
there's
don't know.
a few questions.
You want beef?
Beef and reef, that'd be nice.
A beef and reef.
Yes, thank you.
Would you like it rare, medium, medium?
Medium rare, thank you.
Rare. Chips and salad, chips and veg, chips only, just salad, just veg.
Chips and veg.
Yep. And any type of. Oh, sorry, you don't need
It's
to
already-
that one. Yep.
Okay. So and Joey's got a question.
What's a chicken gulper?
So the chicken gulper is. Sorry, I can't. Sorry, I had
That's okay, I can edit that.
So a chicken gulper is the chicken schnitzel with, I do believe, prawns and creamy duck.
Oh, that's yum. Oh, good job.
Sauce all over?
Yes, yeah. So it comes on top
Yep.
and it's served with chips and salad, chips and veg.
Oh, that's good. Oh, good job.
No problem. So the chicken gulper. And you want a chips and salad?
And we're actually campers. We're campers.
Campers. So we'll scan the discount for you.
Yes. How about that, Joey? How about that, Joey? Good. Yes. Check out the old slab building. It's pretty impressive. Here is the general store. Hopefully there's some breakfast for us in here. Right next to the Pastoral Hotel. So these guys got everything here. You've got your food. You've got your takeaway there. And then you've got this nice little room in here where you can just sit down and have a cup of tea or coffee or get served. And over here they've even got fishing gear. So there's fishing gear here, batteries if your car fails like ours did, and much, much more groceries. So yeah, well done guys. You've got your news agents over there. An old bed and breakfast here. I don't know if it's still in operation, but check out that sign. That's a pretty good sign. That'd be one of the originals, I'd say. And then you've got your post office over there. Our skate park. I like this one. Solid. Having some practice here at the Bowls Club. This is actually real grass. They look after it very well. Do you guys practice?
Sometimes every day.
Yeah.
Some playing tournaments here and there.
Okay. So you have like A grade, B grade and stuff like that?
Yeah, similarly.
Okay. Do you play other towns?
Yeah, we play other towns.
Yeah.
Elmore,
Elmore?
Lockington,
Yep.
Kai Valley, Tongala.
Oh, so you play south of the river? Oh, gosh. Yep. So we're from Bendigo. Have you ever played in Bendigo?
No, that's in the other league. Yeah.
So we're staying here in the free camp and we're having a meal tonight.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to put this place up on YouTube to hopefully help these guys get more people to come.
Oh, sometimes it's full.
Well, the Denny Ute Muster apparently was full.
Yeah, it's full in here, but it's full.
Yeah, well, we're,
People just staying for the night and everything before they got there.
yeah, as long as they actually have a meal here, I reckon.
Yeah, man, it's chair on it there.
So what's this for? That's a big grabber. Oh, I better be careful.
Be careful. No, I can't put guts in and I
Yeah,
can't pick the
no.
bowls up, so
Yeah.
and you pick them up that in your bowl with it.
Okay. The RSL here too, the Services and Club.
Bowling club, yeah.
Did you actually serve?
Me,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
I don't show many people.
No. Yeah, Vietnam. Good on you, mate. Thank you for service.
I knew Bush Tucker man. Did you know him?
We used to make his maps. So the back of the maps, the 50,000 maps, had all his bush tucker things on them. So we used to make them in Bendigo. So
No, he used to be up. I used to run his up and Alice Springs up
yeah,
there. Lemon Boy.
not that. I used to watch all his movies. I'm actually going back through his old movies now.
Oh,
Yeah, no, bush tucker man. So what we're doing now, you've got nice coloured balls. They're actually like,
bowls they call them.
oh, sorry.
You call them balls.
Okay, you've got nice coloured bowls. I haven't seen your balls. Oh, don't go there. This will be edited, don't you worry about that. Okay, so how's it work? So you have to have flat shoes on this because it's... Yep. Okay, so that goes in there.
That goes on the outside, bigger.
Oh, so the big... Okay, so what's on the other side? Oh, little one. Okay. So depends left and right. Okay, that makes sense.
Little side always to the inside.
Okay. Exactly.
Just be careful of that lens. Might be good on the bowls, but if you put it on Pete's face, it might crack the screen.
Okay, so what was your name?
Hey?
What was your name?
Hi, Andrew.
Andrew. Hi, Andrew. How you going?
Good.
So you've been working today?
Yeah, mate, I work every day.
Looks like... Is that like plaster?
Hey, no, cocaine. I've got too much of that. Plaster dust.
Good on you. No, good place to come, eh?
Yes? Paradise.
Brothers. Yep. So who's the oldest?
Who do you reckon?
You look like the mature one,
Yeah, thank you.
and you look like the intelligent one. So that's the best I can say.
Come on. I thought you went a bad load. Oh, ex-arms, bro.
Yeah. Oh, we're going to stick together. So actually, practice started like half an hour ago. You guys are late.
We had a board meeting.
Oh, okay. Well, that's fair enough then.